What would you do if you wake up as Kriti Sanon?
मैं पंखा आराम से साफ कर सकता हूँ.
Ayushman told me a few days back that I've worked with so many actresses, but I've never worked with an actress who's as beautiful as Kriti Sanon.
He is also one person who gets cranky if he's hungry. This is one of the guys जो arranged marriage के लिए आता है और वो पूछता है virgin है क्या?
Right.
तो
बाहर 8 रूम से आया, I called her, ma'am, I would love to work with you, so it just happened like that. But yeah, I think the combination of this Nitish Tiwari and Ashwini is brilliant.
When I'm making a film, I do make sure that I'm watching it like an audience.
जी. If you can define Bareilly Ki Barfi in just 3 words.
just 3 words. पागलों का परिवार.
पागलों का परिवार. अच्छा है.
Yeah.
अच्छा है. Well, it's a huge privilege to have Rajkumar Rao with me. In fact, I've become a fan of his after watching Bareilly Ki Barfi.
thank you.
What an outstanding performance. You know, it's like a schizophrenic sort of character because he's playing 2 characters simultaneously.
Yeah.
Would you agree with that?
Yes, absolutely. It's a like multi-personality disorder kind of thing that he has, where one is this meek, submissive, sweet, simple guy, Pritam, and the other one is like this aggressive brat, really obnoxious, really loud in nature.
Right.
So that's Vidrohi for us.
Now you have this dialogue in the film when someone asks ki virgin and then you reply that nah. Why is this entire fixation and fascination with virginity, especially in India? आपने क्या कहा?
I don't know. Yeah.
It's a bit too much, right?
Yeah, it's
It
like
is,
a
of
taboo,
course.
which
Right.
I mean, but that's actually ट्रेलर में तो ऐसे दिखाया है. But the thing is that वो arranged marriage वाला जो एक concept होता है ना, तो उसमें usually there are so many questions which are asked to the girl.
Right.
तो this is one of the guys जो arranged marriage के लिए आता है और वो पूछता है virgin है क्या?
Right.
तो actually when you see in the film,
Right.
her reply is आप है क्या?
अच्छा, okay.
So
वो
he
बोलता है, उससे क्या
says
फर्क पड़ता है?
he says उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Oh, okay.
आप है क्या नहीं उससे फर्क पड़ता है. So then
Right.
she just looks and says नहीं है आप.
Correct. Nah.
So,
You said
yeah.
nah. Nah. Right. Okay.
उसमें of course ट्रेलर में काटा हुआ है.
ट्रेलर में हाँ
Okay,
काटा हुआ
okay.
है, but that's
But yeah, स्मॉल टाउन में notions होते हैं, norms होते हैं कि लड़कियों को virgin होना जरूरी है शादी.
Even
Arranged marriage,
I think
marriage
बड़े
setup
शहरों में भी होते हैं मेरे ख्याल से तो. I
होते हैं
think-
बड़े शहरों में.
हाँ of course होता है.
I'm sure that.
There are
Yeah, these-
there are a lot of people in urban cities also who have a mindset of a very orthodox kind of a.
True. I think yeah, progressive आप किसी भी शहर में हो.
हाँ exactly.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You know, I must tell you a secret, Kriti Sanon. Ayushman, I'll have to tell her finally now.
God.
Please sir बता दो. मुझे पता नहीं क्या बोलने
You
वाला
know,
but you should.
नहीं, आपने मुझे मना किया था.
क्या?
But you know, Ayushman told me a few days back that I've worked with so many actresses, but I've never worked with an actress who's as beautiful as Kriti Sanon. Seriously.
ये इससे बोला था या
So
आप बोल
आपका
रहे हो?
नहीं,
मैंने बोला था?
This is what he said. I'll have to finally tell it now. I cannot
मैंने बोला था
control
कि
it.
मुझे याद नहीं एक्चुअली.
नहीं, मैं समझ सकता हूँ आपको. आप ब्लश कर रहे हो, लेकिन आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
That's
Your
very
co-star
sweet.
is-
Yeah. That's very sweet. I'm flattered.
Yeah, but yeah, she's pretty. I call her Pretty Sanon.
Pretty Sanon.
Pretty
Yeah.
Okay.
He calls me that normally, like online, Twitter,
Twitter पे ये लोग
everything.
Pretty Sanon.
नहीं, वो तो खैर that is something which I think दुनिया इस चीज़ को approve कर चुकी है. Okay, do you feel? I think you've been performing really well. I really liked your performance in Bindu as well. And when you look at her performance, the way she's just moving from one film to another, do you find that this the way she is just enacting, at least from the promos that we've seen so far, that she's really coming into her own? She's become a bit like I think as if she's meant to own it, and
The best part about this film is that she's changed the genre of the film. She's always played an urban girl. This is the first time she's playing somebody who's rooted, real, and she's a revelation in the film.
okay.
More than anybody else, because Raj and I, we have done these kind of characters, not characters, but we have done
This
something.
world.
This yeah,
In this
we know this world. She's never done such a character in any of her films, but in real, she's a very desi girl. She's a very simple girl.
Okay.
So this is a part of her. Pitti Mishra is a part of Kriti Sanon in real.
Pretty
So,
Sanon.
Pretty-
Ritesh Tiwari, who's written and he's the dangal guy, like करोड़ों की बातें करने वाले
Yeah.
writer director हैं, and I think he's a fabulous writer, and the writing is something which is looking extremely sprightly. That's something that can really, I think, dialogues are something, the writing, the way the story moves forward, it I think can make or break any film whatsoever. You write yourself. What was your reaction when you were just mouthing these lines and
When I
having
heard
fun?
the script for the first time, it was Nitesh sir who gave me the narration at Juno Chopra's place, the producer's place.
Right.
And the way he narrates the film is so amazing. सब characters आपके सामने आ जाते हैं कि इसको ऐसे perform करना है, आपको पूछने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती कि यार मैं इसमें ये करूँ. It's already there in the script. It's such a tight script. There's no dull moment in the script. So when he narrated the script, I was like, I love this script. And उस time में दंगल नहीं आई थी. And Ashwini wanted to direct the film. तब नील बटे सन्नाटा भी नहीं आई थी. तो मेरी रूम में जाके next day मैंने नील बटे सन्नाटा देखी. I was crying on my own.
it's
अकेले
amazing
बैठकर
film.
मैं रो रहा हूँ. बाहर 8 रूम से आया. I called her, ma'am, I would love to work with you. So it just happened like that. But yeah, I think the combination of this Nitish Tiwari and Ashwini is brilliant.
Brilliant. Were you expecting the sort of response that you got?
See, the thing is that I do feel that when you start telling stories which are a little different,
Right.
it does resonate with the audience, and I think the writing is really good,
Ji.
written by Nitesh and by Sherry. He's looking there and he's laughing.
Yeah, no, really funny. Really
Yeah.
impressive.
And I think when everything falls into place, the writing, the direction, the characters of the story, then you know that you have something which, at least as an audience, I would like to watch. You know, so when you're watching a film and I'm making a film, I do make sure that I'm watching it like an audience.
Ji.
And when you're watching it like an audience, you know आप कितने पानी में डूबे हुए हो, अच्छा है कि नहीं अच्छा है.
No, absolutely. Your favorite sweet food, like what is it that you like? in
Favorite sweet, Indian
Yeah,
sweet?
Yeah.
Jalebi Imarti.
Jalebi or imarti.
Yeah.
What about barfi?
Barfi is also very good.
Yeah. Okay. You should say
बर्फी
barfi. दिल से एकदम.
दिल से बर्फी हर तरह की बर्फी चाहे काजू की हो चाहे
काजू
नारियल
बर्फी,
की हो
बर्फी।
मूंग दाल बर्फी बर्फी एनी शेप एंड
Barfi.
I'll tell you, he's
barfi.
lying. He hates Kaju ki barfi.
आई हेट काजू की बर्फी
But you should say barfi.
लोगों को तो रणबीर कपूर की बर्फी अच्छी लगती है
One advice for Kriti Sanon that you would like to give. You have always wanted to give some advice to Kriti Sanon. Now you finally.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है इसको एडवाइस की जरूरत नहीं है शी इज
अरे
वेरी
नहीं,
वाइज
नहीं,
इन
बहुत, very new.
फैक्ट प्रीति का मुझे याद नहीं कि मैंने आपको कब बोला कि शी इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल और व्हाटएवर लेकिन शी इज द
Let's
वाइजेस्ट
not go into that.
बट शी इज द वाइजेस्ट
मैंने भी सब कुछ नहीं बताया.
आई हैव सब
We have to sit together.
Come on.
Definitely.
But yeah, I have to say this that she is the most level-headed actress I've ever worked with.
जी जी.
She's very, very level-headed. बहुत
Yeah.
wisdom है इसमें.
Yeah, absolutely.
Which is great. तो कोई advice देने के लिए नहीं है मेरे पास.
What would you do if you wake up as Kriti Sanon?
मैं पंखा आराम से साफ कर सकता हूँ. She's so tall.
मैं पंखे साफ नहीं करती हूँ.
ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं वैसे आता.
मतलब you
It's
know,
almost the same height.
people will say, her fans will say that this is the only thing
I
that.
will not look in the mirror because I know that I'm pretty.
Okay.
I'm so self-assured that I'm so pretty. मैं देखूंगा ही नहीं अपने आईने में.
Right. Okay.
जरूरत नहीं है ठीक है मैं ठीक लग रहा हूँ.
Okay. What would you do if you wake up as Rajkumar Rao?
आजकल उनके बाल ना आगे के गए हुए हैं क्योंकि he's playing that character of Bose.
Correct.
So I'll wear a cap.
You'll give him a cap.
I'll wear always wear a cap these days. because
Okay.
Of that. So I'll wear a cap immediately when I get it.
Yeah.
That's about it. But what will you do when you?
मैं अपने घर के ताले चाबी सब चेक करूंगा फंस तो नहीं गया फिर से घर के अंदर. Trapped or not.
Advice for Ayushmann Khurrana that you would like to give to him?
One advice.
Yeah. पंखे आपसे साफ करवाना चाह रहे हैं. कुछ तो आपको बोलना चाहिए.
Well, it's very difficult to give him advice. I think he should carry a banana and chocolate in his pocket all the time.
Okay.
Because he's the only person I have met who has banana and chocolate together. Okay, and he is also one person who gets cranky if he's hungry.
Okay.
So I think he should carry a banana and chocolate all the time.
बर्दाश्त नहीं होती.
होती ही नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं होती. मतलब अगर हम शूट कर रहे हैं और इसको भूख लग रही है तो पहले खा ले पहले प्लीज.
Oh, okay.
फिर
okay.
अच्छे से करेंगे.
That's interesting.